Congratulations on the purchase of your Coolaroo wand-operated outdoor roller shade. Before beginning installation, make sure to gather all required tools and lay out all parts. Step 1. Installing the brackets. Identify the bracket-to-bracket length of your shade and measure the space where you'll be hanging your roller shade. With the crank unit bracket on the right side and the idle end unit bracket on the left side, position your shade. Mark the holes on the mounting surface for the desired shade position. Next, install screws at the center of the screw holes to allow for necessary movement to provide a snug fit. Step 2. Attaching the shade. Insert the crank plug into the crank unit. Then, insert the idle end plug into the idle end unit and snap the idle end plug securely into place. Finally, attach the wand onto the eyelet of the crank unit. Now you're ready to enjoy time outside with UV protection, shade, and privacy. For additional installation details and any questions, visit us online at CoolarooUSA.com.